Hello, beautiful people, and welcome to another episode. I hope you're having an amazing day. I'm here in beautiful Greece with an amazing lady having coffee, and we're going to jump into the price of Bitcoin. The stock market went up really well yesterday. If you followed my trades, we sold in, I think it was October, before the huge correction in most of the stocks. And what's interesting is a lot of people aren't seeing this correction. They're seeing that the S&P 500 and the NASDAQ was at all-time highs, but that was actually bullshit. It was fake, because Facebook, Google, these companies, Microsoft, they were at all-time highs and they were pulling up the whole S&P 500. It made it look like the stock market was all good. But in reality, since October, nearly all of the S&P 500 stocks dropped huge percentages, 50 to sometimes even 70% drops, and some of the big names. So for example, we sold Coinbase in October. We bought it back last, I think 3 weeks ago when I was in Peru, Machu Picchu. And that's been amazing because now they're climbing back up, so we're making huge gains on the stocks as well. That's why you got to follow my live trades. I'm not just Bitcoin, I'm also just investing in general. I'm a venture capitalist. I invest in stocks, cryptocurrencies, many things. Hit the subscribe button, join nearly 70,000 subscribers, smash up the thumbs up button. We're going to jump into the charts for Bitcoin now. The charts for Bitcoin, and again, the stock market, look at this, 8% yesterday on NEO, which I have a lot of. Uber 7%, one of my biggest holdings. Coinbase 7%, Palantir 6%, Tesla 5%. Stock market, just big comeback on the potential known war with Russia and Ukraine, which is beautiful. But we're going to jump into Bitcoin now. On the daily chart, stochastic is turning, it's overbought and it's trying to turn, which is not good. However, there is this formation formed, a reverse head and shoulders, everyone. This is an inverse head and shoulders or reverse head and shoulders. So this is a normal head and shoulders. As I teach in the crypto course, I teach technical analysis. This is a normal head and shoulder formation. So it's three peaks. It's one peak, a higher peak, and a lower peak with and volume should be dropping at each point of those peaks, and then a big drop to the downside. An inverse or reverse head and shoulders is the opposite. One peak, larger peak, smaller peak with a big amount of volume, and then big explosive movement to the top. That's an inverse head and shoulders, and that's what's forming here. Everyone can see this. You have one shoulder, the head, and the final right shoulder, and that shoulder actually did have good amount of volume, so this can be an inverse head and shoulders. And if that plays out, the target, as I said in the previous videos, is 55,000, and that's why I left my trades open. Normally I would close my Bitcoin here because of the stochastic being overbought. But with an inverse head and shoulders, we have a target of around $54,600 for Bitcoin, which is beautiful. Moving average is crossed the head up. Also very nice. We've got EMA ribbons on the daily. We're above the EMA ribbons, so we're turning bullish on the EMA ribbons. VPVR, we have major support here on this red line. And that major support line is sitting at 42,000. So we have a lot of support at 42,000, which is good to open trades. The Crypto Guru bot, which you get in the cryptocurrency masterclass in the links down below, is still fired a buy from a few days ago. Squeeze mob is going towards the green side. Money flow index, money is still flowing into Bitcoin. So it's still bullish to Bitcoin right now. And again, you get all these indicators in the crypto course. So that's what's happening to Bitcoin. Let's go into the 4-hourly charts. On the 4-hourly, we're again sitting, look at this, sitting on this blue trend line that's existed for 6 months since we drew it. 2 years we've been on this trend line, but 6 months ago we got this trend line. That's how powerful TA is. Again, inverse head and shoulders still playing out, which is beautiful. We're also forming a little bit of a smaller cup and handle here, cup and handle formation, which is also a small bullish pattern. That should take us to around this distance here, the base of the cup, which would be around 46,000. So we've got two targets here, 46,000 and then that 55,000 larger target. We'll have a lot of resistance here at 45,900. Stochastic is turning up again on the 4-hourly, still overbought, but turning up. EMA ribbons, we're above them. Let's check out the squeeze mob. Squeeze mob is still going to the green side on the 4-hourly. Money flow index is flowing. Money is flowing into Bitcoin on the 4-hourly as well. So looking bullish on the 4-hourly. 45,900 is the target. And we've got this big support area here. So it's a good place to be opening trades, which I'm going to show you my trades and where I would open the trades. Let's go into the hourly. On the hourly, we're oversold. We formed this cup and handle. Target 45,900, which is beautiful for Bitcoin. Now I'm going to show you my trades. If you want to trade like you're seeing me do, underneath this video, if you want to trade like you're seeing me do, underneath this video you'll see these links, and this is the link that, so under the video on your phone, hit this thumbs up button, go down below, smash up this thumbs up button. Everyone, let's try to get 1,000 likes. Hit the subscribe button, and my goal is to get to 100,000 subscribers by March, everyone. So do me a favor, get everyone you know that's into crypto or getting into crypto to go down and subscribe to James Crypto Guru. We're about to hit 70,000 subscribers in the next few days, but let's get to 100. The goal is 100,000 subscribers. Click the join button to follow my trades that are making Bitcoin, stocks, cryptos. And just for example, yesterday portfolio went up massively in stocks also. I've got a Bitcoin trading Bybit link, this link down below if you want to sign up. If you want to use the trading software that you're going to see me use, I use this Bybit trading software. It's a sign up bonus. You get a 4,100 USD when you sign up to Bybit and start trading. So go down below, click this link, you sign up, and then you get Bybit trading software, and that's what I'm using, this software here. In here, I've got $110,000 US dollars, which is beautiful. It was $96,000 a bit more than a week ago, so up around $14,000 in a week, which is very nice. I've got Bitcoin in here around $63,000 of Bitcoin. I've got almost $23,000 of Bit. I've got Cake, $13,000 of Cake. I've got 6,400 USDT. I've got Casta around $1,000 of Casta, but I actually have close to 1 million tokens of Casta. And my trade from Bitcoin from 2 days ago is up beautifully, $741 in the profits, up 47% in 2 days. 47%. I used the $1,567 trade to make $741. So $1,500 to make $741, 47% profits. It's a 10x leverage trade. So the Bitcoin trade is $15,565, but that's $741 in real profits, which is beautiful. And I'm going to keep that trade open based off that inverse head and shoulders that I'm seeing playing out, which is amazing. And I'm doing all of this from my phone. And again, if you want to learn all of this, the crypto course, you can join 6,000 of my students. The link's down below. Now I'm going to show you some information. So this is a funny meme. Did you come back to save the human race from machines? No, I'm here to buy Bitcoin on the cheap. Thank you so much. I can't thank you enough for what you do. People used to pay thousands of dollars 20 years ago to hear this type of info. You're providing invaluable information for the common person. Thank you very much. Brooke, you're changing lives. Thank you, Brooke. You are the king of TA. Thank you, Rahman. A lot of people hate that you change your mind, but don't realize you're always adapting. Just like your trades, you always keep an open mind, which is awesome. Thank you, Yon. I got to say, since I bought the master course, I'm up 20% without doing much. Thank you, James. And just beautiful things. This was yesterday, or for Valentine's Day. She's looking beautiful, beautiful flowers. Yesterday I met up with Greg, a fan of mine. He in Greece. If you're in Greece, message us. This is Dr. Javan, and just a beautiful group of people. And so that's what's been happening in the markets. Congratulations, anyone that followed my stock trades. We're up massive in the last few days, which is huge. Exciting things coming for MCRT, which I'm going to let you know in the next video later today. Thank you for watching, everyone. Hit the subscribe button. Again, goal is 100,000 subscribers on this channel. Smash up the thumbs up button. This is James from Crypto Guru, and I'll see you all again tomorrow.